Hey guys, I'm Harshit Kumar, and this is the beginning of day 11. Well, I was not able to wake up at 4:30. I woke up at around 4 5 5:10. So yeah, I guess it's okay. Today I am planning to complete geometrical optics in physics and determinant and matrices in maths and chemical bonding and quantitative analysis part 2, that is of cation today. So yeah, these are the chapters that I will be completing today. uh, Yesterday was not great, but it was kind of good. So yeah, yesterday was fine. So yeah, I will be trying to keep my day like yesterday. I realized one thing that I won't be actually able to study for 15 hours continuously for the coming 10 days. So I won't be doing that. Instead, I will be, trying to do 13 or 14 hours every day. It's better than to study 15 hours, then take, break of next day break and study for around 10-12 hours. So I will be trying to study for around 13-14 hours from today onward. So yeah, that's it. Those are the chapters, and I guess that's it. I will keep this video short. Thank you for watching.